Hi everyone, Matthew here at AAWeatherWatch with our week ahead video brief, taking a look at the weather through the course of the coming week, obviously the final week of March, Monday the 27th through to Friday the 31st. The fine and settled weather, the very pleasant spring weather of the weekend was due to an area of high pressure over Ireland and the British Isles, and that area of high pressure does continue to dominate at the moment in time through the rest of Monday, and you can generally see that by the relatively cloud-free skies across the country once again so far today. However, two features of interest. This region of clouds spiralling around just to the southwest of the country is associated with an area of low pressure, and unfortunately the trend through the coming week will be for low pressure to return to bring an increasing risk of rain and showers as the days come by. Now clearly this first area of low pressure will arrive from the southwest through Tuesday, bringing increasing risk of some showery conditions through the course of Tuesday. But I'll draw your attention to this large region of area of low pressure within the North Atlantic spiralling away. This one will approach through the middle and latter half of the week to again maintain a risk of rain and showers across many areas as the rest of the working week progresses. It will, however, generally be mild, if not very mild, through the course of the coming week due to winds generally coming in from the south or southwest. Back to the short term and taking a quick look at the rest of Monday, but just highlighting the clear skies which are continuing to dominate across the country. This is high resolution visible satellite imagery from more recent this morning, and as you can see, a little bit of high level cloud across some parts of the country, a little bit of cloud across the south as well, but otherwise, as you can see, cloud free skies continue to dominate, and that was the case clearly over the weekend with lots of spring sunshine. So there will be one final day of decent weather across all areas of the country. Little or no cloud is expected through the rest of the day, and again overall there will be lots and lots of spring sunshine through the rest of Monday. So let's take a look at the all important weather charts now to put the details onto the forecast through the coming days. A quick look at Monday's weather chart. There's the high pressure which dominated over the weekend but is now declining away to the east and southeast into the near continent, and there's that area of low pressure to the south and southwest which was highlighted on earlier satellite imagery. So again, a fine day, lots of sunshine and pleasantly warm in the spring sunshine too. However, we progress through into Tuesday and these weather systems then begin to approach from the southwest. So essentially through the course of Tuesday, perhaps a dry start, particularly across some northern and eastern areas of the country, but generally showers or perhaps some longer spells of rain will move northwards across the country through the day. Perhaps some locally heavy showers possible across central and northern areas through the course of the afternoon. Some local downpours certainly possible, and whilst yes there will be some showers, there will however still continue to be some drier interludes, but overall Tuesday will see again the start of a progression towards more unsettled conditions with rain and showers moving northwards. We move through into Wednesday and low pressure then really does become dominant to the west and southwest of the country. An active set of weather systems is forecast to move eastwards across all areas through the course of Wednesday at the present time. A little bit uncertainty over the timing of these weather systems, but again generally a wet day across many areas with spells of rain and showers and quite a breezy day as well, but as I've earlier indicated with winds from the south or southwest, then generally it will remain mild despite the unsettled conditions. We move through towards the end of the week, looking at Thursday, and as you can see, weather systems and areas of low pressure never too far away. There could well be some drier and brighter intervals for a time on Thursday, but otherwise further weather systems will move in from the west and southwest to again maintain a risk of rain and showers as Thursday progresses. And to end the working week at the moment, low pressure may well move directly over the country to essentially lead to a mixture of sunshine and showery conditions on Friday. Some of these showers locally heavy with hail and thunder through the course of Friday afternoon at the moment in time, and generally perhaps Friday just becoming somewhat cooler as well as winds become more westerly than compared with most of the working week. So let's take a quick look at the temperatures through the course of the coming week, generally just to highlight this generally mild, if not very mild weather despite the unsettled regime. As I've indicated, through the rest of Monday feeling very pleasant indeed in the sunshine, highs around about 11 to 14 degrees Celsius, but somewhat cooler across eastern coastal areas given a breeze off the Irish Sea. Temperatures don't fall very far tonight through into Tuesday, and essentially lows somewhere in the region around about 4 to 8 degrees Celsius across most areas. Through into Tuesday and temperatures again widely into double figures, highs around about 10 to 14 degrees Celsius again, and the emphasis is on yet more mild conditions by night on Tuesday night and through into Wednesday. Lows perhaps no lower than 8, 9 or 10 degrees through into Wednesday. Wednesday, again, a very mild day as indicated. Yes, winds from the south or southwest maintaining this signal for above average temperatures. Somewhere in the region around about 12 to 14 degrees as a maximum on Wednesday, but clearly, despite this, it will be unsettled with spells of rain and showers at times. And then overall through the rest of the working week, temperatures very similar, widely into double figures through into Thursday, but as I've indicated, perhaps something a little bit cooler by the time we get to Friday. Highs generally around about 9 to 12 degrees Celsius, but otherwise, despite this progression towards more unsettled weather, it will overall be mild, if not very mild, through most of the coming week. So let's summarise that in our weekly weather summary. Monday the 27th through the rest of the day, one last fine and settled day as high pressure continues to dominate. Plenty of spring sunshine and certainly feeling very pleasant indeed in the sunshine this afternoon. Through into Tuesday the 28th, and it will turn more unsettled with showers and longer spells of rain moving northeastwards through the day. Perhaps some local downpours across some central and northern areas into the afternoon. Despite this, it will remain very mild. And then essentially through the second half of the week, Wednesday through to Friday, unsettled weather will continue to dominate with spells of rain and showers moving across the country at times. Yes, there will be some drier and bright intervals at times too, but clearly emphasis is on a change and progression back towards more unsettled weather with rain and showers at times. But despite this, it will remain mild, if not very mild. So that's all the details for the rest of the working week. As ever, I'll be back with you on Wednesday, just fine-tuning the details for Thursday and Friday in the midweek update. So thanks for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your day.